Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is about how to save a document into different destination in your computer. Let's say I have a new text document and I want to save some contents in this document under my documents in my computer. So I'm going to add the contents, and then I want to save the documents. To save the documents, I have to go to the File menu. In the File menu, I will have the option to save or save as. To save a document for the first time, I have to click on Save As. The Save As option will give me the option to give the document a new name and determine the destination where I want to save my document. To save my document, under Documents, I have to select Document from the left side menu under this PC. Now, as you see, I clicked on the document. I have all the contents of the documents here. I have to add the file name. Let's say I'm going to call my documents my new document, save document. I'm going to keep that type of the document as text document. And now I click Save. Now, after that, the document is saved under Document. I can close my document, and I'm sure that this document is saved in my computer. Now, to open back this document, I have to go to File Explorer, and I'm going to open this File Explorer. And then I will look for Document. When I click on Document, all the documents that have saved from before, and I need to find my document or my new document that recently was saved here. I'll find it on the top, and if it was difficult to find the document, I just can search for the document name under Search Document. Here I have to type the document name exactly as I named it when I saved this document. This is everything about today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.